Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for pharmacy officer exam step by step. Start by mapping your syllabus into weeks and label high-weight topics first. Then schedule focused daily sessions of study, practice, and review. Use short active study bursts with specific goals for each session and track progress with a simple checklist. Prioritize weak areas and rotate subjects to avoid fatigue while keeping momentum steady and measurable. Active learning beats passive reading when preparing for tough exams. Mix question practice with targeted revision and immediate feedback, and treat wrong answers as study leads rather than failures. Create concise flashcards that capture core facts, mechanisms, and dosing rules, then teach them out loud or to a study partner. Schedule spaced repetition sessions so facts return just before you forget, reinforcing long-term memory and reducing last-minute cramming anxiety. Choose a focused set of trusted resources and stick with them to avoid overwhelm. Combine textbook study with guideline summaries, concise notes, and a high-quality question bank matched to the exam blueprint. Practice full-length mocks under timed conditions to learn pacing and identify endurance gaps. After each mock, categorize mistakes and create a short remedial action plan so you systematically close knowledge gaps before test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.